Do you know what molecule this is? This is known as a phospholipid, and it's the main molecule that makes up your cell membrane. And if you're in biology, you should know about the main parts that make up a phospholipid. For one, it has one polar head and two nonpolar tails. The cell membrane is also known as the phospholipid bilayer. That's because it's made of two layers of phospholipids, with the polar heads oriented on the outside and the nonpolar tails on the inside. Now, the polar heads are made of two specific groups, known as the phosphate group and the glycerol molecule. You can see the glycerol molecule here, which is a 3-carbon molecule, and this phosphate group, which has a lot of oxygen and makes the head polar. You can also see the two nonpolar fatty acid chains here that are just long chains of hydrocarbons. Since the head of a phospholipid is going to be polar, we also call it hydrophilic, which means it's attracted to water. And since the tails are nonpolar, they're going to be hydrophobic, which means they repel water. So remember that the phospholipid head is polar and hydrophilic, and the fatty acid chains are going to be nonpolar and hydrophobic.